Hello to all of you. Repair code to your accounts, verification code to your phone via SMS or no SMS commits. I will give you important information about what you need to do. If not, friends, an SMS verification code will automatically come to your account after doing this. Just so you know, if you don't receive a verification code to your account even after these procedures, know that your account has been flagged as spam. It must have been messed up, guys. That's why it's not coming. If you want to get professional support on this, I leave it this WhatsApp contact in the description. You can contact me from here. We will reactivate your account fully and deliver it to you. Just for your information, so even for my siblings and friends who want a reference, I can show this reference. We are giving acquaintance in Turkey. This is our original channel. As you can see, we have 11,000 subscribers and more than 152 videos. We help everyone here in Turkey. I want to help you too. You can contact us on WhatsApp, but of course, you should come and try first. Will it work? Friends, I'm showing right now what you need to do. You select the first one from here and also the fourth one from here. Later, friends, I'm a user. Enter your username, the country you reside in, your email address, and then check the box here and send. Then you choose the third one here. Leave your problem as a message here and send this. Then open a free VPN in the name of the horse right away, guys. Download the VPN, open it, then log into your Instagram account. See if the problem is resolved. Really, usually solving this way fixes the problem. If it doesn't work as I said, contact me via WhatsApp. I can help. See you. Goodbye.